Hello everyone and welcome to this video, welcome to my channel. I'm Ryan and today we're gonna learn how to combine image with text. So let's jump into the Photoshop and see we have an image here and we want also a text. So here you can click on this type tool and write something. For example, I'm gonna write nature and just put it in the right position. Then we need another background, so first click on this lock icon here and create a new layer and drop this background layer to the last one and give it a color. For example, I'm gonna give it a background, maybe black could be good. And that's a really easy way to overlay an image on top of the text. Drop an image layer over a type layer, okay, and hold the Alt button on the keyboard and click the line between two layers. And here you can see when you hold Alt button between these two layers, you can see your mouse cursor will change. So right click on it and then you can see by using a clipping mask we have combined our image with text. So let's move the text and give it a better position. Okay, just take care, you have to click on it on a layer section and you can change it. Let me change it and give it the right position. For example, here it could be really beautiful for your works. And if you want to change the position of this photo behind this text, you just need to click on this layer, our background, and then move it. You can see the position will change. So we can put it in a best spot that give you the best view. So for making it more realistic or give it a better shape, just click on this nature text and go to the filter. We want to give it a blur, and in the Gaussian blur just click on it and convert to smart object and decrease this number and where you can see it is in the best place. If you look at it, it could be really good. You see? It softens the edges and make it more beautiful and more realistic. So click on OK and our text is ready. You can put whatever you like in the background and you can put any text you want. So you can use it for your image, you can use it for your logos and a lot of things. So like always, if you like this little fast useful trick for Photoshop, just hit that like button. And if you want to tell me something, you can write it in the comment section below. And if you like content like this, be sure to subscribe my channel and hit that little bell next to the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.